Open the Power Automate app in Windows. Click the New Flow button. Give the flow a recognizable name and click Create. In the Search Actions field, type Get Files and select the Get Files in Folder action. Click the folder icon, choose the folder you want to sort, such as the Downloads folder, and click Select Folder. Type For Each in the Search Actions field and select the For Each action. Click the X icon. Choose Files, which will work through each of the files of your selected folder in turn. Type If in the Search Actions field and drag the If action beneath your For Each action. Click the X icon and expand Current Item. Scroll down and select Dot Extension. Leave operator as equal to and set the second operand to an extension, such as .jpg, then click Save. Search for Move File and drag the Move Files action directly below your If action. Click the X icon and select X Current Item. In the Destination Folder field, click the folder icon and select the folder that you want to move your image files to, then click Save. To add further file types to your flow, search for Else If, and drag the Else If action above the end action of your if statement. Repeat the steps to add an extension and a location to move the files to. Add as many Else If actions as you need to move different file types to different folders. When you're done, click File then Save to save your flow. To run your flow at any time, hover over the flow and click the Run icon. To create a desktop shortcut for your flow, click the three-dot menu icon. Select Create a Desktop Shortcut. You can now run the flow at any time by double-clicking your desktop shortcut.